Hey guys, I am Chef Chris, and this is Chef Kai, and we are back with another episode. So, what do we have going on today, Chef Chris? You might ask. What do we have going on today, Chef Kai? Well, we're making a mess. We're making some Fettuccini Al Burro. You might ask, why not Fettuccini Alfredo? Because that's the Americanized version. We just found out this weekend that that's not how we roll. There's nothing Italian about Fettuccine Alfredo, I guess. It was invented here, and we're gonna try the original. So, what are we doing? You can see we're just sitting here on about a pound of Parmesan Reggiano. Got some water boiling here, about to boil. We're gonna put our fettuccine in there. It is super salted water. That's what we want. We want it to be salted. We got some unsalted butter here. Probably because the water's so salted. That's what we're gonna use. Now, normally you could just get away with the fettuccine noodles and the unsalted butter and the Parmesan, but we're not going there. We do have Parmesan Reggiano. It is imported. We went to the Italian store again. I've got some wedding soup meatballs we're going to toss in there, and we are going full pancetta. You can see that. It's gorgeous. What is pancetta, you might ask? Well, it's basically what Italians use as bacon. It's not smoked, so that's why it doesn't have the color that it normally would. So these are frozen. I probably could have pulled those out a little sooner. We want our butter to be softened. Sorry. I've also got just a regular garlic bread loaf. I just threw some American cheese on it. I want to save all this yummy Parmesan for this. That's it. So we are about to get our noodles in here. I have it boiling and ready to go, or almost boiling, I should say. This is also from, basically everything here is going to be from the Italian store, except for the unsalted butter and the parsley. Not sure we need parsley, so we're going to go with that. These are really starting to boil, so I'm going to get these noodles rolling so we can get this video going. Right, dude? Does that taste good or what? Kai was just nibbling on some crackers and some cheese. Hoping he'll like this, but alright. So like I said, we got a bunch. We got a fair amount of salt in there. We got some dill. I have extra virgin. This is special reserve olive oil. We're just gonna toss some of that into this pan and get it heating up. I have never ever made pancetta, and I've never even tried it, but you definitely want to cook it. When I was asking them to get some, they were like, yeah, people ask to try it, and they're like, it's not cooked. So that's where we're at. Asking for some pancetta. Remember, it's not cooked. Okay, guys? So, that's that. I'm going to use this old wood chunk. We're just going to get this ready because I want to just be able to toss it in. And then your nana's falling, dude. We're going to go ahead and speed things up, guys. Everybody get these bad boys in here. Hopefully we don't splatter. These are frozen still. Bring this down. We'll put a lid on this one bad boy, huh? We're just cooking these up a little better, that's it. Alright, so we do this, we gotta get some pasta water. That was about dangerous, let me tell you. I'm gonna get a couple cups of pasta water out. Probably not gonna use all of it. Alright, so we are gonna get this off. We're gonna get this over here. Hot tamale for sure. Got a couple stacks at the bottom. Now, we got this nice and hot. We're gonna toss this in here, get it rolling. Just butter moving. Probably, based on the fact that it's my recipe here, probably could have just used all the butter, or more butter. So, we're gonna just toss. Whoa! Get on this, dude. We're gonna toss, and toss. That is a lot of parmesan, dudes. This is where the pasta water comes in. Leftover parmesan. We'll get the pasta water in there. Can't even tell there's butter in there, can you? Probably get some of that rolling. Alright guys, pancetta and meatball time. This is probably a way too much mess. I'm not gonna lie, it smells incredible. Maybe it's too much meat, maybe it's not. Trying more then. I'd say it's sad, guys. Like I said, the rest of this is going to be for, how much you eat it, dude? What do you think? Say he enjoyed that. Sprinkle a little bit of this goodness on top. Yeah, so guys, we have a mess. You can't tell, this is a mess. This luckily, I have the next 2 days off. So, not do this the hard way. Ching, 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 ching. How you feeling about it, Chef Kai? Well, I'd say it definitely could cook a little bit longer. Wait, okay. Give me a fork, guys. Alright guys, this is where we are at. I did say to add pepper, so should have mixed that in with the rest of it. I just got some white pepper and that's got a little slightly different taste, so want to bite of pancetta? What do you think? Chewy. Well, that's it, guys. Apparently Chef Kai likes that. Meatball? Are you still chewing on the pancetta? You want that? Oh, you do. Alright guys, So he didn't some, that's for sure. Anyways, this has been Chris and Kai's cooking show. While I'm sitting here burning all this food over here. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, guys. Chef Kai, can I have a 5? Hey, buddy. Chef Kai. He's not in the mood. Anyways, guys, have a good night. Don't forget to like and subscribe.